Guess what time of year it is? It is fall. It is bow hunting season. And I've had some of you request again and ask, why are my shoulders bugging me when I pick up my bow? And I say, wow, don't you remember we have some conditioning that we need to do before we go into bow hunting season? If that's not you, here's your reminder, okay? Take any stick, take your bow if you want to, but I would say just start with a stick. Any sort of elastic band, TheraBand, whatever you might have, and practice. One thing that I want you to practice for sure is anytime you raise up and lift something, is your shoulder coming with you, okay? If your shoulder comes with you and hangs out in that ear, you're gonna get really tight and uncomfortable all in the neck. That needs to be down. Your shoulder blade needs to be packed down is what we call it, and then you lift from there. None of this squirreliness over here, all right? So no matter what you're doing with your bow, your shoulder is down, okay? And then the same is true for your pulling arm, right? So pulling, don't be pulling up here with your shoulder, down, back, okay? So just the action of setting, then lifting, then going through the pulling motions, okay? Do this with your bow if you want to. Then, conditioning wise, take this into different circumstances. So with a bungee, can you put your hand down on the floor? Do a side plank. Can you pull from that angle without being up here with your shoulders? All the things, right? So turn it regular, shoulders down and pull, and then make it three-dimensional. Then make it wobbly because you never know what's going to happen. Hopefully that helps you condition, keep your shoulders down, and then you can get that big buck that you've always dreamed of. Let me know how it works.